know what I'm doing, but we gonna figure it out. These little Beyonce bangs in the front are killing me.
I got the Everclear floating mimosa with it. We are the hope of the culture, they post to listen. And I post to pivot like
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by KlaiyiHair. They're kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now I will speed up and show you guys the prep work. However, we will be styling this unit together. But today is also Sip and Slay. You guys know it's Friday, okay? And instead of wine today, I opted for some hot chocolate. Why? Because I can. So yeah, so I got my hot cocoa on deck. If you guys don't know, I love Christmas time. There's no turkey decorations that I want to put up, okay? So I'm getting ready for Christmas. Drinking out of my mug from Melanated Ken. You guys know how I do, okay? But before we get into this styling, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from KlaiyiHair. It is their high quality virgin hair body wave lace part wig. It comes in a natural color and the starting price for this unit is $84.13. Now, depending on the specs you get for this unit, the price can go up. The unit only comes in 150% density and you can choose between 14 and 24 inches. So I got the 20 inches and mine is $143.18. I do have a $10 coupon code that will be linked down below, so if you want to save some coin on your order, you can definitely do that. Obviously the body wave is pretty much gone. I do see a little wave in there, but because I went in and blow dried her, the wave is gone, okay? Based on the parting space that you see right here with this little fake scalp situation, it looks like it could be a closure unit, however, it's not. There's no extra lace up in here. You basically just get the part right here in the middle. I don't understand what the point is in doing this. It doesn't do anything besides give the illusion that it's a fake scalp. Why even waste that fabric? But you know, whatever. You do get the lace here in the front, so if you want to cut this lace off or like kind of pluck into that hairline a teeny bit, you can definitely do that. But the way the tracks are sitting close to the hairline, it's pointless. But the hair texture feels good. Even at 150% density, this feels like thick. It has a nice weight to her. So I'm not mad at this density at all for this unit. Outside of this little fake scalp situation, the unit does have the standard cap constructions. We're gonna see if this unit is big head friendly. I'm not really sure. I have worked with Klaiyi before and I can't really remember off the top of my head whether or not their units ran big head friendly. So we're gonna find out when I put them on my head. So let me just cut this lace off in the back. I'm gonna leave the adjustable straps unhooked. I have on my wig grip and my unit is flat. She's more big head associate. She doesn't come all the way down onto my sides here. But with the straps unhooked, she does fit pretty comfortable on my head. But she's given like no extra stretch. So 23 inches and below, you good to go. This lace right here is pretty much pointless in my opinion. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that off because we don't need that. I do need a mirror though. Where's my other clip? Where's my other clip? The unit does have some baby hairs on here. So I got a pimple right there and that joint hurt. If you wanna rock this unit like kind of like a frontal and do that kind of effect, you can definitely try to finagle that, but I'm not doing all that for this unit. Not gonna do it. But let me show you that parting space really quick. Where's my comb? Okay, so you see that parting space in there. Like if I part it right here, it's trapped. So I turned my ring light off and I think that looks a little bit better because I feel like I was getting washed out a little bit with my ring light on. We'll see. It's kind of overcast outside right now, so if it gets too dark, I'll turn it back on. So yeah, let's go ahead and start curling this joint up. So we're just gonna do curls all over the unit. I'm not going to cut any type of bang or short pieces in the front until we get to until after we curl her up. Okay, so let me go ahead and curl this side really quick and then we'll come back and do this side together. How I do it? What do you do? Snap? You snap, right? Let me get some power behind my snap real quick. Let me do a clapper. I like that. I like that. Got my wand curler on deck and we're going to finish it up together. Nothing crazy, very simple, but we're going to try to do this, okay? We're going to try to do it like our little Instagram, what's her name? Terrielle? I think her name is like Fabulosity something. I've been watching her for years and she, y'all, just to see her growth in hair is bomb. So she has been inspiring a lot of Instagram beauticians lately with her bang. The way that she curls her bangs, and y'all, just bomb, okay? Just bomb. I don't know if I can do it for myself, but we gonna try to give me a similar look because my wrists don't flick like that. She be flicking and flacking her wrists everywhere. I don't even know if flacking's a word, but we gonna say it anyway. Move this hair to the back because it's a little hot on my neck. And she doesn't use a wand curler. She uses a, if I'm not mistaken, I believe she uses like a flat iron or like a big barrel curling iron. Holding this wand curler is so irritating. Like, I hate holding the wand curler. color, but the curls are just so pretty. And I always hit the button on here to turn it down. This is a lot of hair, so I would definitely be cutting some layers in this joint for the look that I want. There I go, hitting the button again. Emmy, what are you doing? I can hear your hair moving all around. Look, I don't speak that. I don't know what that is. That mumbling. Let's just touch up some of the curls up here on the top, because I will be cutting this shorter up here. So let me just go ahead and do that now. Ooh, she look a mess, y'all, but we're gonna try to get her together. I'm thirsty. Let me spray her down really quick. I'm gonna use my Garnier Fructis Full Control Hairspray. What the? I know you lying. Why is it not spraying? Let's get it together. We can do it, y'all. We can do it. Cause right now I don't know what's happening. I don't know what I'm doing, but we gonna figure it out. I know the look that I'm going for, but I don't know if she gonna get there. These little these little Beyonce bangs in the front are killing me. Remember when Beyonce had them hideous bangs on her? Oh, goodness gracious. It seemed a little dark in here. It's a little dark. It's a little dark. Let me turn on this ring light. Let me get this flat up here. Let me pull this out. I should have did this before I put the wig on. I would definitely suggest going in and taking that fake scalp out, especially if your scalp is not that color. It's no point in having that. Clean up my part a little bit. Let me use my wax stick, the rest of this down. Okay, I'm gonna take my knot eraser. This is my Hair Fetish knot eraser. This shade right here, the one I use the most. Correct this a little bit. Pop that in there for right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my razor and kind of chop some layers here in the front. And this will give the unit some more body and movement. Cutting the hair pretty much brings the curl a little bit higher. Okay, let me comb this side out. Keep chopping. Go back in and put some curls where I will need them to be. Grab him and hold him. Okay, let me go ahead and put my lashes on real quick, and then we'll come back and try to finish up the hair, okay? Okay, and I think we are done, y'all. This is the finished look. I think it came out okay. I'm not mad at her. The curls I feel like are holding pretty well. However, if you plan on wearing your wig all day, I would definitely say go in and set your curls before you leave the house, because if not, the humidity or just sweat around your neck will take these joints right on out. Okay, because I can already feel the sweat beating up right now. I don't know really how I feel about the end result as a whole, just because I'm not really feeling my makeup. But this is about the hair. The hair is really soft. The density is really nice. For 150% density, this is a lot of hair, so I'm not mad at that at all. There was some shedding with this unit when I did the co-wash, so just be mindful of that. No tangling though. The only takeaway I mainly have with this unit, which would be my con, is that lace parting area. That fake scalp situation, I don't see the point in having that. But as you guys saw, I just went in and put my products on top of that. You can kind of see that line of demarcation right there. So if you are not a fan of that, definitely go in and just cut that fabric right on out and you'll be good to go, okay? Other than that, the unit was pretty basic. It's definitely a beginner friendly unit if you're not someone who wants to worry about a whole bunch of lace or even a lace closure, because you know sometimes you still got to get that right. It's a lace part unit, so you know it's very easy to style. I don't see myself turning this unit to the side just based on how the parting space is. It's pretty straight back. She's definitely giving me like a little look ready for the holidays. Ooh, okay, we got her together. Oh man, she cold now. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Shout out one more time to KlaiyiHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.